Today's reading, Crystal Energy Oracle Insights. Hello, beautiful soul. We have a beautiful piece of chalcopyrite for absolutely clearing, balancing, and attuning all of your chakras simultaneously. Tangerine Quartz, solar plexus, manifestation, self-empowerment, meaning believe in yourself, confidence, manifestation energy. Here is some beautiful green calcite, wealth attraction. So being able to really connect with your inner self and your magnetic attraction beam. Because whenever you send out any thoughts and emotions, no matter what they are, yay or nay, light or dark, positive or negative, you're sending out an attraction for the same to come back to you. Now, it's not an instant manifestation, as that is what a lot of teachers tell or teach. And it's also from Abraham Hicks, right? So thankfully we have a little bit of a buffer time. And what that also means is that you have time to be aware of what you're feeling, thinking, and changing it to anything that is more positive. Here is, look at that beautiful rainbow. I love these. Optical Calcite, clarity, seeing clearly with vision. And this is a tiny piece of selenite for added energy protection, purification, and the charging slab, because it's not really a plate or a disc, is the sacred geometry of the universe, of the solar system. So what is this telling us for today? Be mindful, be aware what you are attracting, what you're seeing, what you're imagining, and be more in tune with where or when you need to avoid energy overwhelm, protecting yourself from just the free-floating junkalitis. So you put all of these together, and it is about being in tune with yourself, your guides, and your inner intuitive self. You know, those little nudges, those little twinges of energies, thoughts, feelings, images that might come. So we have Chrysocolla. I'm sorry. Must be Chrysocolla wants to come in here energetically. So Chrysocolla is for your throat chakra, self-expression, speaking your truth. And since it popped in so distinctly, I am honoring its vibration here with us. So this is chalcopyrite, also known as Peacock Ore. It is just gorgeous. So holding this for your chakras to cleanse, balance, and align all of your chakras. For your solar plexus, not too much your sacral in this instance. Tangerine, manifestation, empowerment. Where do you feel you could accept yourself more? Take that next step and just tell your conscious mind, I call mine Charlie, to just zip it. Green calcite, prosperity and abundance, can also be for your heart chakra. Is there something within your heart chakra, your emotions, that is requiring or kind of demanding your attention? What are you willing to see differently? Are you willing to pivot? I made a decision earlier today to pivot something, and it feels more in alignment than what I thought I was going to do or had tried to do more of. More about that later. But this is a rainbow, which also signifies, in my way of understanding things, your chakras, all in alignment. Look at that. Wow. And what are you not seeing or shutting yourself off from seeing because it feels demanding or stretching yourself in ways that you are not yet comfortable, or your conscious mind just goes, yeah, I don't wanna. And then selenite. Connect with your guides, cleansing, energy purification, and protection. If you like this video or you have any questions about anything in here, and there will be a list of these crystals in the description below. If you like this, please give it a like. And if you would, share it with others who may be interested in having a sense of tuning in to their own energies at this time. Thank you so very much, beautiful soul. Have an amazing day.